Hey chickadees, how's it going? We're here for another day of fun crafting. Today I am going to be testing it that I just found at Michael's that looked like fun. So, looking at this plush, let me see if I can get this, still figuring out camera stuff, y'all. It's called Plush Craft. They had this cute penguin guy, flamingo. They had this cute flamingo. They also had dinosaurs and a panda and dogs, which I think this has potential to be great for kids. It does say 5 plus, so hopefully a 35-year-old can do this, but we're going to find out today if this is worth the buy. Looks super cute. I'm definitely a little nervous to see how this goes. I'm just curious what this tool is and like what the little fabric things are or whatever that is. Accessories included. Pop in the plush. And like, look how weird this is. So I guess we're just gonna find out. We'll find out together. Let me get out a knife. Oh god, I try to be cool on the internet and I can't be. Alright. Very sharp. Be careful. Be careful. Okay. This looks like our tools or something. There's a glitter piece in there. I love glitter. Oh, it's probably its eyeballs. Oh, look at that. So that definitely feels like fabric. Trash. Okay, so we got this guy. Can you hear that? Hard. He's hard. You can leave imprints in him, but he's not a lot to him. Alright. Oh, there's instructions. Look, 1, get out your stuff. 2, stab him. And then 3, put the eyeballs. Okay. Alright. That's trash, because we don't eat that. We put the knife away. This is when I take far too long to read instructions that are just saying, put this color here, put that color here, and at the end of it we're going to add all of those accessory pieces. So enjoy this quick speed up of reading instructions. Let's look at our pieces, and then we'll get to it. Alright, here's our stabber. It is dull, so it's not going to hurt you, which is good. We have our glitter eyes. Here's that guy. So they do have little holes. Let me see. There you go. So pop outs is what it looks like. We're just going to pop out the center and then probably place that around so that our flamingo gets blue eyes. We have too much trash, man. It's so easy to accumulate trash. So we'll put them over here, because that's part 2. And then this looks like our legs, wings, these guys. I don't know how we're gonna attach black to the beak, but hey man, we'll figure it out. Alright. We'll just put all that there, and then all of our fun pieces. You think they could put them in 2 separate bags, since we have 2 separate colors? And so it should be white. See, there's white, but I'm not seeing white in our fabric here. Oh. Don't mind me while I separate all of these out. We did it. Not a lot of white though, man. Okay, here we go. Just so you guys can see. first one done. Alright, and that actually wasn't too hard to push in. And then I guess we just like continue to space it out. And as you can see, we got plenty of the hot pink, so it's not like we gotta worry about anything when it comes to that. And we'll just do this until we have her looking the way we want. That's kind of rough about this, is you can't see exactly where you're stabbing into. And I am a little worried that maybe I'm doing too much on this side, so I'm going to try and space them out a bit more, just so I don't potentially run out of feathers. I'm just super impressed with how easy this is to push through. Honestly, it's not bad at all. And it's just so weird, like it doesn't, you just wouldn't think about doing this, so super cool. And then as you can see, I'm just trying to shove it, so like you'll have just like this spaces, so I'm just kind of moving my stuff up and then stabbing. That's it. It is kind of nice, so like you'll see like it's got the markings. You can kind of see the ridges here to help tell you like, okay, this is what needs to go here. Definitely as you get a feel for it, you see like, okay, I can go a little farther out, or I need to get a little bit closer. It gets a little easier to figure out like spacing. The beauty to crafts is you don't need to be perfect. It's crafting. Imperfections make it unique. I say it's assy, but we all know it's true. So we're gonna maybe go rogue with 2, so I don't lose it. Honestly, like I'm kind of enjoying this. Like I'm sad I've only bought the 1 kit. But they were, you know, full transparency, $20 a pop for this. You almost, like, I went for the one that looked a little bit bigger. They had a giant panda. There we go. She's coming along. I'm so excited. It was a panda. They had dogs. They had dinosaurs. We went with flamingo. I mean, I'm very excited to see how this turns out, honestly. Like, I'm stoked. Ah! And so far, I mean, we still have plenty of pink to go, and we're almost done with it. So, I think it's okay if you get a little fuller like I did with this guy. But again, we'll see final product when we're done. So, let's just keep it moving. And I would say try and get the center of the square versus like accidentally doing closer to an edge, because it seems to flare out a little bit better if you do it. I'm also trying to move edges out so that they don't get stabbed back into the foam. Nailed it as far as I'm concerned, at least so far. Here's where I messed up. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Still just have this little bit to go. Still have plenty of these guys. I think we're alright. I am worried about the white, though. Not, like... They could have hooked us up a little bit more on the white, let's be honest. Alright. We got our cheekies, we got our wings, and then the red is supposed to be the pink, light pink, and we got our white right up here. We got the white part. Like how the cheeks don't look even, but they're not even at all. Why is one higher than the other? Okay, that we can't fix too. We'll just do this real quick. Just gonna shut one. I don't know if that actually went in. It helped. So, hopefully it doesn't fall out. Alrighty. We did that. So now, we don't need to fill this in because this is going to be the beak. We just do everything else in the pink. Here we go. Now I'm getting worried we're gonna run out because we still got all that to do. All that. We don't want him to be bald. But bald is beautiful, but we want a complete product. I think we're gonna make it. We did it, technically. However, there are a few bald spots, as you guys can see, where I got nervous that I wasn't going to have enough. So, I'm going to fill them in because we got plenty. Alright, what do you guys think so far? I think pretty good. And I'm actually surprised nothing came out as I was holding it and stabbing. So, super impressed by that. Yay! Alright. Dude is done. And like I said, there's plenty of extra, at least dark pink, if you wanted to go back in and fill anything else. Definitely the light pink, we came close. It got a little nerve-wracking there, but we pulled through, and we made it. So I definitely recommend being a little sparser when you initially start, and then once you've completed it, like space it out a little bit more. But then once you've completed it, then you can go back in and fill in any holes, bald spots that you see. Like here is a pretty good gap that we're just gonna scoot everything out of the way. And bam. So yeah, start out more conservative, and then once you're done, you can fill in afterwards. Alright, we got that done. Now, eyeballs it says. And then it looks like we push in the beak and the wings. Alright. So, we lost the holes. One. One's a little more forward than the other, but we'll live. Oh god, there were feet holes? I don't remember seeing feet holes. I don't even see them. But we're gonna make a pair. Beauty is you can just rip stuff out and then put stuff in to the holes, so it's fine. We're so close, you look so good. And then let me see if I got glue. Oh! It has a sticky on the back. We don't even need the gem tack. They did think of it. I was wrong. Alright, guys. We did it. This is exciting. Take a look at him. The eyes are a little messed up. I'll give him that. Here. See him through here? He's a little cutie. So, just little recommendations. Pay attention to the eye holes. Maybe even put the eyes in first. And then do the rest. But besides that, super easy. Was not expecting it to be as relaxing as it was. Minus stressing about running out of this stuff. But we didn't run out of materials. It wasn't difficult. I would even say that this is relaxing in sense, like kind of how like that diamond art stuff, except for me, way more satisfying. Just like repeatedly stabbing a foam piece. I would highly recommend this. I don't know necessarily for 5-year-olds. I don't hang out with 5-year-olds, so I don't know if they could sit and focus this long, but if you're bored and you're looking for something easy to do that would make a super cute decoration for a shelf, windowsill, this is it. Like, definitely worth it. So, thank you guys for checking me out today. Again, you can get these at Michael's. Super cute flamingo. If you want me to do the dinosaur or the doggos, please leave a comment and let me know. And thanks for hanging out today, chickadees. Peace out and have a great day.